Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In this video, we will be showing you how to sign up and log into your TCF Bank online banking account. First of all, go into your web browser, and then type in TCFBankAccount and press enter. Once you're in the website, click on the login button, and then click on enroll. Now click on the enroll now option once again. And then you will be asked to enter some of your important credentials, your card PIN code and your social security or tax ID number. If you don't have an ATM or debit card, you can also click on I don't have a TCF debit or ATM card option. When you click on this, you will be asked other credentials including your account number, your date of birth, and your tax ID number. Click on the next button after entering all of the necessary credentials. After your information has been verified, you will be allowed to set up your profile and a username and password to log into your account. Once you are done with the account registration, you can go back to TCF Bank. Come and click on the login button. Select your account type and then enter your username, followed by your password. Click on the next button and you will be logged into your TCF online banking account. So that's it for this video. If you liked our content, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.